Welcome to our channel. Today we how to authorize Uniswap to swap ERC-20 tokens. Easy tutorial step by step clearly. First, open your preferred web browser. Go to the Uniswap website. Make sure you are on the correct domain, which is uniswap.org. Once the page loads, click on the Launch App button. You will be redirected to the Uniswap trading interface. Next, connect your wallet by clicking on the Connect Wallet button. Choose your wallet provider from the options available. Follow the prompts to connect your wallet securely. After connecting, you should see your wallet address displayed in the top right corner of the screen. Now, select the token you want to swap from the drop-down menu labeled From. If your desired token is not listed, click on Selected Token. Once you find your token, click on it to select it. Next, move to the To section and select the token you want to receive after the swap. Enter the amount of the token you want to swap. Check the current exchange rate and ensure you understand the fees involved. Before proceeding, you must authorize Uniswap to access your ERC-20 token. Look for the Approve button, usually located below your token selection. Click on the Approve button. A transaction window will pop up from your connected wallet. Review the details carefully and confirm the transaction. Wait for the approval transaction to be processed. Once approved, you can now return to the Uniswap interface. Now click on the Swap button. Review the swap details once more before confirming. Finally, click on the Confirm Swap button to complete the transaction. A confirmation window will appear, prompting you to finalize the swap. After confirming, wait for your transaction to be processed on the Ethereum blockchain. You will receive a notification once the swap is complete. That's it. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.